Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bearnaise sauce easily. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, including egg yolks, clarified butter, white wine vinegar, and fresh tarragon. Next, melt your butter slowly to clarify it, separating the milk solids. Then, prepare a flavorful reduction with vinegar, shallots, and black peppercorns. This sets the stage for a perfect sauce. Now, let's create the emulsion base. Place your egg yolks in a heat-proof bowl over a double boiler, ensuring the water does not touch the bowl. Whisk continuously until they are light and fluffy. Gradually, add the cooled vinegar and herb reduction to the egg yolks, whisking constantly. Keep the heat gentle to prevent scrambling the eggs, aiming for a smooth, thick consistency. This is where the magic happens. Slowly, in a thin stream, drizzle the warm, clarified butter into your egg yolk mixture while whisking vigorously. This continuous whisking is crucial to emulsify the butter and prevent the sauce from breaking. Keep adding the butter until the sauce is thick, smooth, and has a beautiful, creamy texture. Patience here ensures a perfect bearnaise. To finish your delicious bearnaise sauce, season it with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and plenty of finely chopped fresh tarragon. If the sauce is too thick, you can whisk in a few drops of warm water to reach your desired consistency. Serve your homemade bearnaise sauce immediately with steak, fish, or vegetables for an unforgettable meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.